I heard the hollow sound of the falls from a distance as I revealed a timeless forest secrets. As soon as I arrived, I was defended by the cacophonous roar of a spectacular waterfall. The water was like a smooth paper being shred on the rocks. Trees were grew to reach the heavens as the pillowy clouds started to hover over the mountains which reach to the heavens. The air was thick with anticipation. The trees were filled with life as they vacillated in the cool breeze. Suddenly, I leaped onto some slippery rocks as the moss tickled my bare feet. I stood still as the Statue of Liberty as the winter wind blew and kissed my frail face. Quickly, a flock of birds began to fly away with the wind. Soon it became dark, and I packed up my belongings and looked over my shoulder one last time as I burned the picturesque landscape into my photo album in my memory. So folks, now it's your turn to answer my question, and my question is, you have to guess which place is this. Hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Bye.